And in conjunction with Energy Matters Rewards program, we've also got Sam and the team from Smart Energy Answers installing a solar system and battery. Well, Sam, I can see a lot going on behind me, and with the name Smart Energy Answers, you've obviously got the answers for energy. Tell us what's going on.
Okay, so Smart Energy Answers here has installed a solar system, a 3 kilowatt solar system, complete with an inverter and battery. That is to store the energy that the solar panels are going to produce there. And we're fantastic to be part of this effort.
It is an exciting time, mate, and we're excited to have you here as well. The family are going to be coming back very soon to have a look at what's being created here. I mean, this is a cosy home, but this is a home for them to live in and to be able to bridge the gap while they build their new space. We're excited to have you on board, buddy, and I think they're going to be elated with their zero energy bills.
Fantastic, fantastic. We're very glad to be part of this, and looking forward to it.
So many people lost their properties during those bushfires, which was terrible. And we heard about Warren and Joanne's individual situation, and we just really wanted to help out. From a solar power perspective, we had a look at the property itself. Smart Energy Answers did a site inspection and calculated that we could fit a 3 kilowatt system on that roof. Based on that, Longy Solar came to the party. They've got some new technology, some incredible technology, and our good mates at FEMA have supplied an inverter and battery. So at least this way, Warren and Joanne can not only use the electricity that's being produced during the daytime, but all the excess electricity can be stored to be used at night time and early morning.